Mm-hmm.
What are you doing?
Chopping. We'll spend some money here in a minute, probably.
Tools, huh?
Show enough.
Cool. You got some new tools today. Yeah. You did get us some new tools today. Speed tips.
Little Associated.
Check it out. Associated speed tips.
Seem okay so far.
Seem okay so far, he says. If you didn't hear him over there. Yeah. Got the ball tips. We needed a ball tip anyway. You just got to be careful using power, of course, on a ball tip, but it'll be useful on driving in long screws at an angle. Just don't torque up on it much. Got this little Dremel guy, man. I've had this Dremel dude forever. It's bomb. It's a great little guy, man. Little charging base. He's got a little grinder buddy that hangs out with him. Charge them up either which way you want. Good little deal, man. Batteries last forever. I can't believe how long batteries last in that thing. It's awesome. Got a new 3D printer. Picked up the Creality Ender 3D Pro. Pretty much one of the cheapest printers in existence. But they say it works pretty good. I'll probably think it's the bomb because I've never had one before. If it prints anything halfway worth of crap, I think it will though. I've seen a lot of people. Hopefully they're not bullcrap. Yeah. So gonna be busting that out here in just a short. They say it goes together quick, so I'm gonna slap it together. I ordered some filament, but it didn't arrive with the box for some reason. It's in a separate box, and I'm not sure if there's any down in there or not. I hope there's something to play with though. Make something tonight, hopefully, just for the hell of it. Going to be doing the tire test, finishing that up here shortly. We've been playing around with all kind of different tires, and as you see, we got several sets of stock wheels, and we got a couple sets of aluminum wheels with different tires on them. Got the Goodyears over here with dual stage foams on them. Got the Stockers here with some aluminum wheels. Got some extra weights in these. That's a pretty heavy setup right there. This wheel's heavier than this wheel is to begin with. So it's not a huge difference, but there's a noticeable difference between that and that. Plus this tire's heavier too, I found out. We got a lot of information to share with you guys about all this. Just getting it all together. This is the latest edition. They look real familiar to you probably, don't they? They look a lot like these, don't they? Yeah, but that is that. But you know it is. Hyrax. Proline. But this is not. This is an imitation. Straight from the China, folks, I believe. $22, all 4 tires with foams. Stupid cheap compared to these. Well, if you ask me, I think we should be paying $22 for 4 of them anyway, and they should perform like this. So we're going to see, does $22 perform like $58? I sure wish tires only cost $22 though. Some do, I guess. Some do. We're going to find out if you can get away with spending $22. Then we have the stock ones. What they do have is 2-stage foam in these. Why, you ask? Well, just because I had it. Throw it in there. They were a little bit small and soft for the Hyrax. So I took them out of the Hyrax, put a firmer pair in there. And then I bought Goodyears, and now they have the foams that was in the Hyrax, and the Hyrax is back on stock foam. And so yeah, that's why they have dual stage foams in those, and these came like this in the box, so that's why they have that, and that's how those came in the box, and just yeah, that's how they got to be the way that is. So we're going to test all this out. That's about it. That's all we're doing tonight. Matthew's trying to spend money over here. Looks like he's shopping still, looking for tools. He likes tools. He's buying more tools.
Potentially.
Got new tools anyway. Check it out. Anyway, yeah, that's it. We getting some more videos together here shortly. Hopefully get all this tire testing done and share it with you. It's kind of time consuming to do all the tire testing. We've done some testing. I think we just need to get it all in one day so we can really get more accurate on the results, because we've had mixed results a lot. We need to take out some variables. That's what we're working on. And finish this thing up. I might put a little time-lapse video of that going up. Alright. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Peace.